Are you feeling stuck? Like something is blocking your career or business growth? You know what? You've hit a ceiling, and that ceiling is created by none other than your own brain. Your brain has created that ceiling on purpose. Let me tell you what neuroscience tells us why smart, hardworking people like you get stuck or plateaued or just don't know what the next steps are in their lives. Your brain is designed to protect you. It creates patterns, mental shortcuts that keep you in familiar territory. And that was useful when survival meant avoiding tigers or bears or lions. But the same patterns have actually become hidden barriers. They are keeping you stuck in a career, relationship, or life. Now, here is how it works. You hit a threshold of success. Your brain registers that, ooh, safe enough. Then it starts sending signals, doubt, procrastination, self-sabotage to pull you back to the familiar when you try to leave that safe territory and get outside that comfort zone. And this operates below conscious awareness. You're often not aware of this. You don't decide to sabotage yourself. Your brain does it for you. But once you can see the pattern, you can interrupt it and change it forever. And that's what we do in this free 60-minute workshop called Accelerate, where I help you find your exact block and I help you build a plan to break through it. Register for this free workshop. I recently ran it for the Harvard community. The link is below, or you will find it in the bio. And additionally, I have a diagnostic. It's also free to identify those invisible blocks, and I'll DM you the free diagnostic.